Welcome to Heritage Lake in West Mobile, Alabama. This is the Hawthorne plan. It's almost 2,500 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom with 3 full baths. This is on a corner lot in Heritage Lake. Heritage Lake will have a community pool, a private clubhouse, and a walking trail. This is one of the gold fortified homes, so you save a lot of money on your homeowner's insurance premium, and the builder pays up to $5,000 towards your closing costs when you use their preferred lender. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.